Hello everyone. Today, we have the CC-521 temperature controller, commonly used in air dryer applications. Along with the controller, you'll get an NTC sensor with a measuring range of -50 degrees Celsius to 99.9 degrees Celsius. Let's understand its wiring, outputs, and complete parameter settings. On this controller, you'll find terminals for line, L, and neutral, N, power supply. You also get two relay outputs, one for your compressor and one for your heater. That means you can use it for both cooling and heating control in a single air dryer system. Before we go into settings, let's first look at the wiring connections. For wiring, connect the line and neutral to L and N. Loop one wire from line, L, to the common, C, of the first relay. This relay will control the compressor. From the NO, normally open, terminal, take an output to the compressor, or in our demo, to an LED. So whenever the LED turns on, the relay output is active. For the heater, make similar connections using the second relay. If the heater's load is below 10 amperes, it can be connected directly through the relay terminals. When you power on the unit, the display first shows the current room temperature. The compressor LED blinks during the startup delay. This blinking represents the compressor time delay in progress. Once the delay is over, the compressor output will activate. To enter the parameter menu, press and hold the Set button continuously. Now we'll go through each parameter one by one. F2 High Temperature Limit. The maximum temperature you are allowed to set as a set point. You cannot set any value above this limit. F3 Low Temperature Limit. The lowest allowable set point. F4 Tolerance a hysteresis. This defines the temperature band for relay on-off. Example, if your set point is 30 degrees Celsius and tolerance is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. The compressor turns on at 33 degrees Celsius. Turns off once the temperature drops back to 30 degrees Celsius. F5 Offset Calibration. If you want to shift the reading, for example, +1 degree Celsius or -1 degree Celsius, enter the offset value here. F6 Compressor Delay Time. This defines the delay between power on and compressor start, default 3 minutes. You can reduce it to 0 if you want an instant start. DT Defrost Time Unit. Choose whether the defrost time is expressed in minutes or seconds. F7 Defrost Duration. Set how long each defrost cycle should run, example 10 minutes. F8 Defrost Frequency. Defines how often defrost occurs. If your DT unit was in minutes, this value is in hours. If DT was in seconds, this is in minutes. Next parameter, LP Keypad Lock. Set to 1 to lock the up-down keys so operators can't change settings. We'll keep it 0, unlocked. Next, E1 Compressor Status on Probe Failure. 0 is equal to compressor always off, if sensor fails. 1 is equal to compressor always on. 2 is equal to duty mode, on for 10 minutes, off for 4 minutes cycle. Choose according to your safety requirement. Next, E2 Defrost Type. 0 is equal to electrical defrost, compressor off during defrost. 1 is equal to hot gas defrost, compressor remains on. 2 is equal to alternate defrost, compressor cycles on, off based on set point during defrost. Next, decimal point. Select yes to show decimal values, example 25.5 degrees Celsius, or no for whole numbers. Next, temperature unit. Choose Celsius or Fahrenheit based on your application. Next, factory reset. If you select yes and press enter, all parameters return to default. Choose no to keep your custom settings. Next, password option. If you enable it, entering parameter mode will require a password. Password is equal to 39. So, when you try to access parameters again, the display asks for the password first. Enter 39 to unlock the menu. After configuration, you can return to normal display mode. Press set once to view or change the current set point. Adjust as needed and press enter to save. And that's the complete guide to the CC-521 temperature controller, covering wiring, delay timing, defrost logic, and parameter settings for air dryer applications. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more industrial automation tutorials.